Introduce yourself, sir.
My name is Professor Oluwatoyin Ogundipe.
Guys, it's the weirdo again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, guys, I'm in the University of Lagos. We are going to walk around the school, and we also having an upcoming events called NUGA next year, early next year, February and March. So different kind of sports are going to take place from handball to basketball, volleyball to tennis to athletics. So guys, join me in this journey. So yeah, thank you. Introduce yourself, sir.
My name is Professor Oluwatoyin Ogundipe.
Okay, sir. So what are the importance of exercises?
Well, one is good for health, it's good for the physical build-up, it's good for a spiritual build-up, it's good for interaction. It's also good for you to see your environment so as to build up your psychological input.
Okay, sir. So thank you very much, sir. That's all.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you,
Bye.
sir. So we walk.
Leg shoulder width. Close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open out. To the wrist. Forward. Up. Down. Elbows. Other side. Outside the waist. On the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down. Left leg forward. Toes pointing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down to the knees or the toes. Put down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. Right leg up. Toes pointing up. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. Shoulder width.
Please introduce yourself, sir.
My name is Dr. J.O. Awoyinfa. I'm a lecturer in the Department of Human Kinetic and Health Education, and I'm the Executive Secretary to host University of Lagos NUGA.
Okay, thank you, sir. So what are the importance of exercises, sir?
The importance of exercise is that it makes you have longevity, it builds your energy, your health status, it builds your morale, and your thinking faculty will be moved if you participate in physical activities.
Okay, so can I ask you a question about the Noga stuff?
Yeah, NUGA is Nigeria University Game Association, and this is going to be the 26th edition of the game, and it will be hosted by University of Lagos. Tentatively, February, March next year, 2022, has been slated for the hosting of the NUGA. And on the 27th through 30th of this month, the national body of NUGA will be coming to University of Lagos. That is, all sports directors in Nigeria University will be coming to University of Lagos for a meeting
Okay.
at the NUGA Secretariat. NUGA Secretariat is by Salado here.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So thank you very much, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Naomi. What's the
They're
name?
supposed to keep fit though.
Naomi.
Keep fit.
But doing it by force.
Yeah, keep it.
Keep fit. No, it's not by force. So it's actually nice. Keep fit. Keep fit.
It's
Yeah.
nice when you're not
Like this people.
Work for your life.
No, it doesn't matter.
Work for your
You guys
life.
should be doing this every morning. Like every morning.
Work for your life.
Healthy.
To
My
be
dear.
healthy.
You look sexy. Sexy. So if you looking sexy for your daddy.
Yeah, it looks sexy.
Some people not gonna be looking for size 8 or size 12
Ah,
outside.
bro, size 4.
Size 4 about okay.
Yeah, short skirts everywhere.
I bet snap this one.
In video. Oh no, I will snap. I will snap. Is this my beautiful phone? Is this not no emote? No emote. Oh, Kimini. No emote. No emote. No show. The way you like hide. What issue is it?
Why the noise? Where is it? Where is it now? On your man. Spice. Spice.
Excuse me.
Wait.
Oh yeah.
Make una watch. Camzy no go run. I swear.
Okay, so please introduce yourself, sir.
My name is Adeyemi Awokwetu. I'm a professor of exercise physiology, Department of Human Kinetics and Health Education, University of Lagos.
So, what are the importance of exercises, sir?
exercise is very important to all ages. One, it increases our efficiency in whatever we do. It helps in longevity. People who exercise live longer. It helps us to build a stronger heart. Uh, it helps in proper metabolism. It's also medicine. There is this common saying, exercise is medicine. Exercise can prevent, it can cure, and it can also rehabilitate. There are several examples of that. People who have type 2 diabetics, if they exercise, it will help bring down the blood sugar level. People who have heart problems, it can also help to rejuvenate the heart. And then people who are recovering from, when they had stroke, you need exercise to recover and get back to your feet. Or people who have had long period of lying down because of one ailment or the other. By the time they are medically healed, they have to come back and start gradually with exercise so that they can be in better form all through.
So, do you want to tell us about NUGA?
NUGA, yes, Unilag is hosting NUGA. We hosted it almost 21 or 2 years ago, and it was a perfect thing. And we are hoping to have the best NUGA ever. We are working towards, because of the pandemic, we'll have held it, but because of the pandemic, we couldn't. So we are hoping to host it early next year. The facilities, we are getting them ready. Fortunately, we have a VC that is very, very close to us in the sports world, and is a sportsman, and is a lover of sports, and he's been doing all his best. And the best is actually working out. We are getting most of the facilities ready. By the time we have it, the whole world will see that Unilag once again has proven that we are number one everywhere.
Thank you very much, sir, for your
You're
time.
welcome. Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Okay, so please introduce yourself, sir.
Ademola Victor, PhD student, exercise physiology.
Okay,
Yeah.
so what are the importance of exercises, sir?
Well, looking at the fact that now one of the leading cause of death in the world, physical inactivity, and more youths are now sedentary. More people are now sedentary, so they spend a lot of time on the screen, being inactive, get addicted to the screen. And screen includes their phone, laptop, everything, social media. And of course, that predisposes them to different diseases. So they have more tendency of being obese, having hypertension, and diabetes, and lots of other non-communicable diseases. And one simple cure, like what Prof said, exercise is medicine. It can be preventive and therapeutic. So if you increase your physical activity level, if you engage in exercise, you can see those gains, and it reduces your chances of getting obese, of getting diabetic, of having high blood pressure and all these non-communicable diseases. So our coronary artery diseases. So those are the important benefits of exercise today. And it's more important now because we're now sedentary, and of course, we are now addicted to screens. Yeah.
So, do you want to tell us about NUGA, the upcoming event?
I think Unilag, from what I can tell, Unilag is trying to boost up different sports, and they are actually trying their best to, get medals, because we are hosting. Of course, we want to host to win. So from football to athletics to volleyball to handball and all these sports all together combined, I think we're trying our best. Hopefully, the work pays and we win. That's all I can say.
Okay, thank you very much, sir, for your time.
You-
So, guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. So, be sure to
Like, comment, subscribe,
share.
turn on the notification
So,
bell.
please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video to your friends all over social media. Bye, guys.
Bye.